Hello world. Hi, it's me, Freddy. So, in today's video, I'm going to talk about hosting our database online on the cloud. I found this article. I share it also in my Telegram channel. This guy's name's Pireski, I think. He is hosting a SQLite database on a GitHub page. You can also subscribe to my Telegram channel if you like. Let's see his blog. So, Pireski is hosting SQLite database on a GitHub page to overcome with the hosting SQL on a GitHub page. In the past, when I have used a backend server for the small side projects, at some point some external API goes down and I forget about the backend and stop paying for the whatever VPS it was on. Then, when I revisit it years later, I'm annoyed that it's gone and curse myself for relying on an external service. So starting a static website is much easier than a real server. There are many free and reliable options like GitHub, GitLab Pages, NetDB, etc. and it scales to basically infinity without any effort. So instead of doing the same thing with Reski, hosting a database, an SQL database to GitHub or NetDB or the other things, I'm going to try to learn a new thing also. Let's host our database on cloud using MongoDB. As we know that MongoDB is built for the cloud. Correct me if I'm wrong. So let's go to our Telegram. I would like to have a database of my visitor on getIDbot. I will record his chat ID. Then I will, from that database, I want to know the unique user that comes to my Telegram bot. Alright, without further ado, let's do this. Let's go to our terminal. getIDbot. Okay, but before this, we have to set up a new collection on the MongoDB. And MongoDB is free, right? I will add a new collection on UText database. Let's call it getID user. Let's just, okay, we have 0 documents right now on the collection. Let's go to for this purpose I will use the Python pymongo module to help us. So we will just this from pymongo import from client. Right. So we have our client. Then I will add the credential. I will have just to blur it. So the users user. Right, that's it. For the date, we have the date time. It's much easier to do it in VS Code, I think. This is my previous code. I'm using SQL database to save this data to have the statistic of the users of the Telegram bot. So now I'm going to move it, and I'm using only MongoDB for this. I hope it doesn't affect the performance of the bot. Let's just save this. Okay. And we go to the stairs. Comment and save to MongoDB. Git push. Oops. Push GitHub master. So let's check our group. Okay, we haven't included this pymongo on our requirements file. So grab if you have any question what is the error, is, you can check my video, on how to deploy the Telegram bot into the Heroku. There is an explanation that we have to include all the modules that we need, that we use on the Python on files named requirements.txt. So we will just add these files on the requirements.txt. So we will just cat, we will just others. Also, echo more. Okay, we have the pymongo and our requirements.txt, so we can push it again. Alright, put that all. pymongo to requirements.txt. We push GitHub master. Alright, we have pushed it. Let's go. Wait a couple seconds. Alright, we'll start it. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, by the way, right here. Line. Wait. Let's succeed. No, it's not this morning. 237. Sorry, that's 237. Right, save it once again. Push top master. Alright, let's see Heroku. Supposed to be another build started. It's the release version 22. I hope there is no other error coming. So we have another module that to add. Here is the NS Python. Forget about this. So if we freeze okay. So I mean minus I. Alright, this is our DNS Python. Let's go and set it into the requirements file and click that on again, click comments on and DNS Python, we push GitHub master. Okay. Oh. Okay, version 23. Um, it's already coming. The message, the bot is already running, and it's respond. Let's see our database. Yeah, we have our chat ID here and the bedtime. So I will just leave it for a day so we can, in the next video I will show you how many unique users that we have on the get ID bot in just one day. Then see it again in about a week. Then we have a better statistic of the users of the get ID bot. So I think that's all for today's video. I have to go for a morning walk. Hope you enjoy it, guys. Stay safe and see you in the next video.